at the back of dishwasher, there are two hoses. One is the inlet hose, which is thinner, and the other is outlet hose, which is bigger to let the waste from the dishwasher to go to your waste pipe. In my case, both of these pipes are connected underneath my sink. First, unplug the dishwasher from the power socket, then take a bucket under the sink, under the waste pipe, and then you can easily remove the waste hose by just pulling it like the way I'm showing in here, and turn the hose into a bucket to drain any water that might be there, and your inlet hose would be connected to your water pipes, and there should be a valve that would stop the water flow to the inlet hose. So make sure to close the valve by turning it to the opposite direction, that is perpendicular to the direction of the flow, as I'm doing in here. Now there shouldn't be any water going to the hose, so in order to remove the hose, I suggest you to wear a high grip gloves and simply hold and turn the hose's head in the anti-clockwise direction. At first it might be a bit tight, but after turning it a bit, it will become more loose and you can easily unscrew it. Even though I have closed the valve, for extra safety, I will put on a 22mm end cap to make sure there won't be any water leakage from this open outlet. And finally, before removing your inlet hose, make sure there is a bucket ready to empty any drain water left in it. And most dishwashers have got clips at the back. Clip the feed water hose and the waste hose at the back of your dishwasher. Make sure the end is pointing upwards. And now you can move the dishwasher away for renovation or to replace it with a new dishwasher. Note, as the waste pipe outlet is under the sink, and now that we have removed the waste pipe hose, if you would run water, the water could flow from this outlet and make under your sink completely wet. Just be aware of that.